It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm here at the Peppermill on the Las Vegas Strip. This place is famous for being one of the longest standing restaurants in Las Vegas. It goes back to the 70s and just about everybody who's anybody in Las Vegas, from Elvis to Frank Sinatra, has eaten here. So let's go inside and see what there is to eat. This is the Fireside Lounge. This is the bar area of the Peppermill. There's a whole restaurant area,
I can't find her friend.
but this is where to go if you want to hang out and have a drink, and you can eat in here as well. So we just got seated in the restaurant side of the Peppermill. There are two sides of the Peppermill. It's the restaurant and the lounge, the Fireside Lounge. You can eat in both sides, but we're going to eat here in the restaurant. So let's take a look and see what's on the menu. And it is a huge menu. The thing that the Peppermill is known for is their huge portions. But there are a huge number of things to choose from as well. Just the appetizer part of the menu is very extensive. I have my eye on the Peppermill Sampler. It's got fried shrimp, chicken fingers, mozzarella sticks, bruschetta, and onion rings. It's $19.50. There's so much more that is tempting me. I really don't know where to begin. And if you are in the mood to drink, there is a huge drink menu here at the Peppermill. Everything from strawberry daiquiris to Hawaiian sunset mimosas, and even something called a scorpion, and I don't think I'm gonna go anywhere near that. But we are getting this. Look at this. It's a blue Hawaiian. They call it a tropical taste with blue curacao, vodka, and pineapple juice. This is certainly a throwback drink. Reminds me of that Elvis movie. All right, we're gonna begin with the Appetizers Sampler. This is quite the sample. It's onion rings, cheese sticks, chicken tenders, fried shrimp, and bruschetta. And its dipping sauces, only 5. That's good tartar sauce. Let's try this buttery, garlicky, tomatoey, cheesy bread. I lost most of it there.
There you go. French toast and burger.
Oh, awesome. Thank you.
Everything is doing good so far? Yeah.
Very good. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Look at this French toast ambrosia. This is not only French toast, but it's fruit, whipped cream, this blueberry syrup, and that little touch of Peppermill magic. This is the Pastrami Burger. This is a burger with pastrami on it, and I don't know if you can tell how big this is, but trust me, it's big. Cheese stick. Is that what it's called? Cheesy. I still can't get over the size of this piece of chicken. See how it looks inside. Yeah, that looks alright. Here's the meat. Alright, let's try this burger. This is a pretty hefty burger. Oh, it feels so good in my hand. It's just, it's about to fall out of my hand. And that's how big it is. That's how much stuff is on here. That is a very, very good burger. Oh yeah, I'm very happy right now. All right, now I can't wait any longer. I've got to get into this French toast ambrosia. Hope it doesn't fall off the plate. I'm gonna put a little of the syrup on it. Oh yeah. Let's see how it tastes. Ooh, look at this. Look at all that French toast and all that fruit. All right, so the cost of this extravaganza, we're looking at about $54.88 plus tip. And that's not bad for a gigantic amount of food. This food is actually a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. I mean, it's delicious. It's over the top. It is iconic Las Vegas. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the Peppermill. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat when it's all you can Vegas.